motorcycle, coffee, fire, a tent. To your brain, this isn't a hobby. It's medicine. And in the next few minutes, I'll give you a number. A number you won't believe. Why do we riders love moto camping so much? Why alone? Just us and our machine. It's not the camping. The answer is in your brain. First, understand this. Your brain fights a war every day. Notifications, traffic, crowds, 100 tiny decisions. All of it piles onto you as cognitive load. Your mind is always carrying something. That weight wears you down quietly. City life eats at you slowly. You feel it, don't you? So how does moto camping reverse it? The answer starts on the road. You get on the bike, the asphalt ends, the dirt begins. Just you and nature. Every responsibility lifts off your mind. And on the bike, something shifts. A study at UCLA measured it. After a 20-minute ride, your stress hormones drop by 28%. The bike is like hitting the brakes on your brain, but the ride is only the start. The real thing happens at camp. You stop the bike, you take off the helmet, you pitch the tent, you light the fire, you grab your coffee and sit by the flames. And something inside you loosens. This has a name. Scientists call it attention restoration. The city drains your focus by force. Nature does the opposite. It refills you. The crackle of the fire, the steam of the coffee, the wind. It takes your focus gently. No effort at all. So why does fire feel this good? The answer goes back a long way. To our ancestors. The human brain wasn't shaped by concrete. For millions of years it formed beside a fire. Your brain still calls that place home. Now, let me be honest. The cortisol study is real. Tension restoration is real. Flow is real. But the fire and ancestors part? That's my interpretation. No one has measured our ancestors' brains. I won't hide that from you. Still, the feeling is very real. And there's one more reason. Why alone? Because your brain works differently when you're alone. You're not answering to anyone. You're not managing anyone. Just you, the bike, and the road. On the bike, your mind goes quiet, balance, throttle, the next curve. This is called flow. No past, no future. Only now. Few people bring these two together, the ride and the fire. You're one of them. So both questions share one answer. Moto camping isn't a hobby. It's a return to your brain's oldest state. The bike takes you there. The fire calls you home. Silence, focus, room to heal. That's why you miss the night, not the view. Where did you set up your first moto camp? Which road, which bike, which fire? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this. Ride safe and let your mind be free.